Okay, students. Now, question number 2. 30th term of the AP. So they are given one AP sequence. The question is, what is the 30th term? We know that nth term of AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is a formula to find the nth term of AP. Here, from the question, we know that the value of A means first term. So, A is equal to first term is 10, and then common difference. Common difference means second term minus first term. That is second term 7, first term 10. So 7 minus 10 becomes minus 3. Common difference is minus 3. The question is find the 30th term. So n value is equal to 30. So from the given question, A value 10, first term 10, common difference minus 3, n value 30. Substitute all the values in the formula. So we are going to find the 30th term. So n value is 30. A value 10, n minus 1, 30 minus 1. Common difference is minus 3. 10, 30 minus 1, 29 into minus 3. Multiply with the 3. 9 3s are 27, balance 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So 29 into minus 3 becomes minus 87. So overall answer minus 87 plus 10 becomes minus 77. This is a 30th term. Okay, same way. Next question they are asking find the 11th term of AP. Like last question, they are given some data. So from the data, we know that the value of A is minus 3. First term is minus 3. Common difference. How to find the common difference? Second term minus first term. Or we can find the third term minus second term. Okay. Second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. So minus 1 by 2, minus into minus become plus 3. So if we take the LCM, 2 is a LCM. So minus 2 is here. 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus minus 1 becomes 5 by 2. So A value is minus 3. Common difference is 5 by 2. The question is 11th term. So the value of n is equal to 11. So all the data are given. So we know the formula for nth term. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we are going to find the 11th term. So A value is minus 3. N value 11 minus 1. Common difference 5 by 2. Minus 3. 11 minus 1, 10 into 5 by 2. Minus 3. So here 1 times 2, 5 times 10. 5 2s are 10. So remaining 5 into 5. 5 into 5 become 25. So 25 minus 3. So become 22. So 11th term of AP is 22. Okay, students? Okay, we'll discuss the next question. Question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. See the question, the sequence is AP. First term is given, third term is given, missing the second term. So we are going to find the missing term. So here, first term, A is equal to 2, that is A1. First term is 2. And then third term is 26. Question is, second term is, what is second term? So consider, this is unknown value, x. Okay? We know that in a AP, common difference are equal. So common difference means second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. So by using that hint, we can find the value of x. That is, a2 minus a1 value must be equal to a3 minus a2. Here a1 is 2, a2 is x, and a3 is 26. So a2 minus a1, x minus 2 is equal to 26 minus x. Now this we change the minus x into left hand side. So this minus x changed into plus x. This minus 2 changed into plus 2. X plus x becomes 2x. 26 plus 2, 28. Therefore, the value of x is 28 by 2. This is 14 times. 1 time, 14 times. The value of x is equal to 14. This, the value of x is equal to 14. Okay. Second question. Box 13, box 3. This is a given question. The last question, there is only one missing term. Here there are two missing terms. We should find the two missing terms, that is a1, a2 value 13 and a3 value we should find, and a4 value is equal to 3. So here we know two values, that is a2 and a4. We should find the first value and the first term and the third term. Okay. So a2, the given value a2 is equal to 13 and a4 is equal to 3. So we know the formula of nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the value of an. Second term is equal to 13. So if we substitute here, a plus second term means n value 2. So 2 minus 1. I'm substituting here an value 13. This means second term value is equal to 13. So a plus 2 minus 1. D is equal to 13. Same way, we can apply here. Fourth term is equal to 3. Fourth term. So the formula of nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term. So fourth term means a plus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 into d. This fourth term value is equal to 3. So here a plus 4 minus 1, 3d is equal to 3. So now we have two equations. A plus d is equal to 13. Another one is a plus 3d is equal to 3. By solving these two equations, we can get the value of a and d. See, I'm going to subtract 1 minus 2. Equation number 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Okay. Equation number 1 minus 2. That is a plus d is equal to 13. A plus 3d is equal to 3. Subtract the equation. That is equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Then symbol will change. Minus, minus and minus. Plus a minus a cancel. Minus 3d and plus d becomes minus 2d. 13 minus 3 become 10. Now from this we can find the value of d. 10. This 2 change into division. Therefore d is equal to 1 2 is to 5 2s are 10. So answer is d value is minus 5. D value is minus 5. Substituting d is equal to minus 5 in any one of the equation number 1 or 2, we can substitute here. Now equation number 1 becomes a. Instead of d, we can substitute minus 5 because the value of d value minus 5 equal to 13. Therefore, A is equal to minus 5 change into right hand side becomes plus 5. 13 plus 5, 18. So by solving equation number 1 and 2, we got the values of A and D. A and D. Now here there are two missing boxes. A1, that means first term. First term value is equal to 18 over. Next the question is missing term is third term is missing. We are going to find the third term. So third term means nth term formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So third term is missing. So we are going to find the third term. A value 18. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. And common difference is minus 5. So 18, 2 into minus 5, minus 10. 18 minus 10 becomes 8. This is third term. By using A value and D value, we can find the third term, or simply we can find the third term because already we know second term. In AP, we should add the constant term, that is common difference. Second term plus common difference become third term. Already we know second term 13. Second term is 13. Add the common difference, we will get the third term. Common difference is minus 5. 13 minus 5. If you add both 13 and minus 5, become 8. So the next term will be 8. Whether you can use this formula or you can use, because second term is given, we need to find the third term. Just add the common difference. Second term plus common difference become the third term. Okay. Okay. Next question. There are two missing boxes. First term is 5 and the fourth term is 9 1 by, this is mixed fraction. We are going to find the two missing terms. See, the first term A is equal to 5. That is first term. That means A1 or A. First term is 5 and the fourth term is 9 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. First convert into improper fraction. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. So this is the fourth term. Okay. So we don't know second term and the third term. We are going to find the second term. What is second term? Nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term. We know the value of A. A is first term. First term is 5. Fourth term, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. D is equal to nth term. That is fourth term is equal to 19 by 2. So here we are substituting the fourth term here. So fourth term means n value 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into D, 3D. And fourth term value is 19 by 2. A value is 5. First term is 5. By using this, we can find the value of D. So 3D is equal to 19 by 2 plus 5 changed into minus 5. So 3D is equal to, take the LCM, 2 divides to 1 time, 1 into 19, 19 minus, there is no denominator, you can take it as 1. 1 divides to 2 times, 2 5s are 10. So 3D is equal to 19 minus 10. 9 by 2. So here this 3 change into right hand side becomes division. So D is equal to 9 by 3 change into right hand side. Now we can simplify. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So finally the value of D value is 3 by 2. Common difference is 3 by 2. So we can find the now second term. First term is A1 is 5. What is A2? Second term means we can add the first term with the common difference. This is the second term. First term plus common difference. First term 5, common difference 5 by 2. Take the LCM, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 into 3. So 13 by 2 is the second term of AP. Okay. And then we are going to find the third term. So third term means second term plus common difference. Second term is 13 by 2. Common difference is 3 by 2. So both the denominators are equal. So 13 plus 3 becomes 16 by 2. Or we can write as 8. This is third term. So in this question there are two missing terms. One is second term, another one is third term. By using the fourth term, we find the value of common difference, D value. By using D value and the first term, we can find the second term. By using second term and common difference, we can find the third term. So second term is 13 by 2, third term is 8. Next, fourth subdivision. First term is 4, box, 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 and then last term 6. First term is minus 4, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. Okay. If we find the common difference, we can easily find the missing boxes. Here, the first term is minus 4. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. A6 is equal to 6. Okay. So, we know the formula of nth term. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to an. This is nth term of AP. Now, I am going to apply the sixth term here. Sixth term, that means n value 6 minus 1. Common difference we don't know. Sixth term value is 6. Also, the value of A is minus 4. A value minus 4. Sixth term, 6 minus 1 into D. Sixth term value is 6. Here, 6 minus 1 becomes 5 into D. This minus 4 changed into right hand side becomes plus 4. So, 5D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 5 and D is equal to 2. So common difference is 2. Okay. So now we can find second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. See, first term is minus 4 and common difference is 2. By using the first term and common difference, we can find the second term. So the second term means first term plus common difference. First term is minus 4, common difference is 2. Minus 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2. This is second term. Okay. And then third term. Third term is equal to second term plus common difference. Second term is minus 2. Common difference is plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So this is third term. Second term over, third term over, next fourth term. So fourth term means third term plus common difference. Third term is 0, common difference is 2. So 0 plus 2 becomes 2. This is fourth term. And then fifth term. Fifth term means fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is 2, common difference is also 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So there are 4 missing terms. Second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. Second term is minus 2, third term, fourth term and then fifth term. Okay. Okay. Next question. Subdivision 5. Here also there are 4 missing boxes. So here the first term is missing. We don't know the value of A. First term. And second term is given. Second term. And this is third term. And this is fourth term. And this is fifth term. And this is sixth term. So we know there are 2 terms. That is A2 is equal to 38. And then A6 is equal to minus 22. So we don't know what is the first term and what is the common difference. If we know the first term and common difference, we can find the missing terms like third, fourth and fifth term. See now, A second term is equal to 38. So we know the formula for nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to an. Okay. Substitute the second term. Second term means n value 2. Second term value is equal to 38. So that is A value we don't know. Second term. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 into D. This is second term value is equal to 38. So A plus 2 minus 1 means 1. 1 into D, that is equal to 38. So consider this is equation number 1. So like that, sixth term is equal to minus 26. So we know the formula of nth term. This is the nth term formula. Sixth term is equal to minus 22. Apply here n value 6, sixth term. So A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to sixth term value is equal to minus 22. Here A plus 6 minus 1, 5, D is equal to minus 22. Take it as second equation. So now we have two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay. By solving equation number 1 and 2, we can get A value and a common difference. Here, I am going to subtract equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 is A plus D equal to 38. And equation number 2 is A plus 5D is equal to minus 28. If we subtract, the symbol will change. So plus number change into minus, minus, minus number change into plus. Plus A minus A cancel. Minus 5D plus D becomes minus 4D. 38 plus 22. 8 plus 2, 10. Balance 1, 4, 60. Minus 4D is equal to 60. Therefore, D is equal to 60. This 4 change into right hand side in the division. If we simplify, you will get the answer. 15 4s are 16. If we cancel, simplify one time. 1 4 is 4. 15 4s are 16. So minus symbol is here. So D value is minus 15. This D value means common difference is minus 15. Okay. See, D is equal to minus 15. Substitute any one of the equation, we can get the value of A. So D is equal to minus 15. Substitute in equation number 1. Now the equation number 1 becomes, equation number 1 is A plus the value of D is minus 15 equal to 38. Minus 15 change in right hand side becomes plus 15. So 38 plus 15. So A is equal to 38 plus 15. 8 plus 5, 13. Balance 1, 53. The value of A is 53. So now we got the values of first term and the common difference. A value 53, common difference minus 15. So we are asked to find the first term. Already you know the value of A is 53. And the missing term, next third term. What is third term? A3 means second term plus common difference. Already we know the second term. Second term is 38 and the common difference is minus 15. Common difference is minus 15. 38 minus 15. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. This is third term. Okay. Third term is over. Next fourth term. How to find the fourth term? Third term plus common difference. Third term is 23. Common difference is minus 15. So 23 minus 15. What is the answer? 23 minus 15 becomes 8. This is fourth term. Understand? And then, what is the fifth term? Fifth term value is fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is minus 15. Sorry. Fourth term is 8. Common difference is minus 15. So plus 8 minus 15 becomes minus 7. This is fifth term. You can check the sixth term. Sixth term already given, minus 22. Sixth term means fifth term plus common difference. Fifth term is minus 7. Common difference is minus 15. So minus 15 minus 7 becomes minus 22. So this is a way to find the missing terms of the given AP sequence. Okay.